la 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 la. Dance along and sing with me. We're learning words that start with D. Let's dive right in and we will see how fun the letter D can be. Hey! D is for dolphin, swimming fast, jumping high with a splashy blast. Smart and friendly in the sea, playing games so joyfully. Hi! Sure! D is for door, open wide. Knock, knock, what's on the other side? Step right through and you will find adventure waiting every time. Sing, yeah! D is for diamond, shining bright. Sparkling stars in the soft moonlight. Glitter, shimmer, twinkle, glow. Precious beauty all aglow. D is for donut, round and sweet. A yummy treat that's hard to beat. Pink and tasty, full of cheer. Everyone loves donuts here. D is for drums, boom, boom, boom. Rhythms bouncing through the room. Clap your hands and feel the beat. Music makes the day complete. We've sung our D words, hip hooray. Learning letters in a fun-filled way. Next time we'll sing from E to F, learning more. Yeah! There's lots that's left. La 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 la, la 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 la.
Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe for more.